The electronic component part industry. To properly run any business that manufactures an electronic product, the company must maintain the required stock of electronic components parts. The electronic component part industry describes a marketplace where businesses manufacture, sell, purchase, and use these electronic component parts. The supply chain for electronic components consists of a primary and a secondary channel of distribution. The primary channel includes the companies that manufacture the electronic components and their network of authorized distributors. The secondary channel includes independent distributors, brokers, and other companies who buy and sell electronic components, although they do not have contracts in place to purchase from the component manufacturer. In another video, we will discuss the electronic component supply chain in greater detail. Trade associations. There are two industry trade associations that have played significant roles in the evolution of the electronic component part industry. The IDEA, the Independent Distributors of Electronics Association, commonly known as the IDEA, is a not-for-profit global trade association established in 2003. The organization is most well known for developing IDEA Standard 1010. This standard was created as a group consensus of more than 30 leading independent distributors and test labs to determine the acceptability of electronic components distributed on the open market. When NASA and the Department of Defense issue contracts to build products that use electronic components, they require their contractors to use an aerospace standard known as AS5553. This standard is designed to mitigate the chances of a counterfeit part making its way into the supply chain. While businesses in other sectors are not required to comply with aerospace standards, these requirements often filter down to all electronics sectors. As you can see, IDEA Standard 1010 is cited on page 25 of AS5553. This means NASA contractors are required to use IDEA Standard 1010 when building in aviation, space, defense, and other high-performance and high-reliability electronic equipment applications. Today, IDEA 1010 is now used worldwide by commercial, industrial, and government sectors. The mission of the IDEA Association is to provide responsible procurement solutions for the secondary channel of distribution. To do this, the IDEA has raised the bar for the industry by establishing requirements to ensure it meets customer expectations. Unlike subscription-based organizations, which allow any company that pays dues to join, a company must meet the strict IDEA quality and membership requirements to become a member of the IDEA. While any company that is part of the secondary distribution channel may choose to follow the IDEA requirements, only companies certified to meet these requirements are eligible for IDEA membership. The certification that a company needs to become a member of the IDEA is IDEA QMS 9090. IDEA members must also have at least one IDEA ICE 3000 certified inspector at each shipping location. This certification demonstrates that the inspector has the skill set, knowledge, and tools to inspect and identify suspect and substandard components. In addition to meeting the IDEA quality requirements, each prospective member must be confirmed by an IDEA committee composed of a group of peers, all of whom are competitors. As a result of the strict IDEA membership requirements, there is a significant barrier to entry for companies that strive to become IDEA members. Membership in the IDEA is, therefore, rather exclusive. The ERAI is an industry trade association specializing in problem prevention and resolution. It is known for maintaining the most comprehensive database of companies in the electronic component part industry. Unlike the IDEA, which makes membership available only to businesses that meet stringent membership requirements, ERAI membership is open to all companies in the supply chain as long as they have no unresolved complaints. Organizations that experience a problem with another business may file a complaint with the ERAI. The ERAI will then investigate and, if legitimate, will add an incident report to its database to warn its members of unethical or unfair business practices. The ERAI database, therefore, provides crucial information for its members when decisions are made as to whether an unfamiliar supplier is trustworthy. A simple search of the industry database shows how many years the company has been in business and how long they have been a member of the ERAI, along with a list of valid certifications held by the company. Additionally, members can view a listing of unresolved complaints filed against the company. This information is commonly utilized to assist in making determinations as to the outcome of whether the member meets supplier qualification requirements.